this is how to make sauerkraut take 1. I hate sauerkraut, I don't like it, but I'm going to teach you how to make it. And I've never made it before either, so there you go. My mum used to put it in mash. I guess it goes sauerkraut mash, and I didn't eat it. So yeah, sauerkraut. Yeah, so sauerkraut. So I'm gonna sauerkraut. Here it is. This is how you do it. 2 cabbage. I'm gonna finely slice these, and also I'm gonna teach you a trick. First of all, please do never ever use glass chopping boards. I think if there's something that should be forbidden, it's glass chopping board. Get yourself a nice wooden one. Grab a tea towel, make it a little bit wet, and then put it underneath your chopping board, and then you've got a nice steady surface to work from. Okay, cut it in half. Nice sharp knife. Take the core out like that. Right, and then put in the cabbage in a weighing scale in a bowl. So I've got 1,357 grams of cabbage, 25 grams of salt. I'm going to add that salt to my cabbage and sort of massage it in, really get in there. Make sure you wash your hands before this. Make sure you get a bigger bowl if you have one. This is a good thing to make when you're angry at someone. Right, I'm just going to leave that on the side for about half an hour. I've got peppercorns, I've got mustard seeds, I've got caraway seeds, and I've got coriander seeds. Half a tablespoon each. Toast these bad boys on a very low heat. Maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Just make sure you don't burn them, and it's easily done. By toasting them, it just brings out that little bit of extra flavours. Half an hour has gone by, so what we're going to do is have another little squeeze and then leave it for another 30 minutes. Maybe even longer. Really need to get getting real nice and gooey now, crunchy. I want a bit more moisture to come out of this, so I'm going to, again, leave it for another 30 minutes. Okay, my angels. So you can see all of this moisture has come out of the cabbage. So we want to keep that moisture. We're going to put it in this jar and leave it to ferment for probably 2 weeks. We're going to have to check it every day. And also, we got this airtight lid to open up every day to burp all of the gases. Because if you don't let the air out, you have the chance for it to explode. So I have ordered these little one-way silicone lids on Amazon, so I'm going to use that. And put this in here. I'm just going to make sure this is all like squished down. Get all that liquid in. You kind of want all of those juices to submerge the cabbage. You know what, I'm just going to add a little bit of water. I want filtered water. Still going to ferment, and then what I might do, we cover it with cling film and then stick this on top like this. You have to leave it in a cool, dry, dark space. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this has been fermenting for 5 days now. In like 2 days time, I sort of lifted everything up. So what I'm doing now is I take the lid off every day. So you want to sort of knock that air out. When I finished the first bit of this video, it didn't quite cover everything, so I added a little bit of extra filtered water. Now make sure you use filtered, not the tap water. Just do this every day. Just have a look at it. Like all the cabbage is submerged. Sauerkraut time. So this has been fermenting for 15 days now, I think. It started on the 30th. It's the 14th today, and nearly 16 days. It's a little bit too long. I'll keep it to 2 weeks max. It smells like sauerkraut, to be honest. So you can keep this for about 2 months in the fridge. So I've got some jars here, and I'm going to just fill these up. Really pack it in, get as much in there as possible. Real nice too. Have a quick taste. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. That's sour. A little of that bad boy. sauerkraut. Anyway, I got loads left, so I'm going to fill the rest of this jar up. Yeah, that's how you make sauerkraut. Enjoy making it, and please subscribe if you like. Thank you.